Hi, I'm Morgan Feldman, Customer Success Manager at ThinkHub, and today I'll be going over the basics of the student stations for ThinkHub Connect. So I'm here at my student station. I have my Mac computer and my Windows laptop to demonstrate today. So in order to wirelessly share content from my personal device to my ViewHub, my student station, all I need is to download AirConnect. So AirConnect is the wireless connection software that will allow me to share any content on my computer with this student station. And I can do that by going to tyomv.com/AirConnect. Once I've downloaded AirConnect, I am going to refer to this upper right-hand corner to get the information that I need. So ViewHub Station 1 is the name of the station that I'm connecting to. This is the IP address. If I'm on the same network, I will enter this IP address. If I'm on a different network than like a guest network or anything like that, I will use this AirConnect key. So you can choose which one you'd like to use, which one is applicable. You just enter this information right here and press connect. Now once I enter this information, you'll see it gives me the option to share my screen or view content that's on ViewHub if I want to see what my fellow students are sharing, but I don't want to share my own screen. Today we're going to go ahead and share my screen. It then brings you to this window, which will allow you to share your entire screen and everything that you're working on exactly as you see it, or if you just want to share a specific window, you can share this. And then you can continue taking notes on the side and doing anything else, and only this window will be shared. So you'll see anything I do in this window is mirrored in real time. Anything I do on my computer, if I want to press over here and pull something else up, you're not going to see this. You're only seeing that window. Now let's do the same thing on this Windows computer. I'm going to my AirConnect. I'm entering in my credentials. I'm going to connect using the IP address this time, which is 10.2.1.66. I press this connect button. You'll see it gives me the same options. I'm going to share my screen. And this time I'll share my entire screen. So I just have the whole screen selected. I press this present button, and now you'll see it allows me to present. So now I can click through content and it will be mirrored to the ViewHub in real time. If I want to change what window I'm sharing, I can simply click back up here. I can either, if I want to stop sharing my content, I can press stop sharing screen. If I want to focus my screen in ViewHub, I can click this button and it will focus my entire screen in ViewHub. If I want to select a new screen or window to share, there's an option for that as well. And that will stop me from sharing this window and instead allow me to share whatever other window I would like. How about this ViewHub document? We can share that instead. When I'm done sharing, I simply press this disconnect button. You'll see this red bar will appear on the top of your screen while you're sharing, and that's just for you to remember that you're sharing content. So if you do get up and walk away and you want to make sure that you disconnect, that red bar will still be there kind of as a signal that you are still connected. To stop sharing, you can stop sharing one of two ways. You can either press stop sharing screen, or you can just disconnect and that will pull you away entirely. If we select stop sharing screen, it brings us back to this menu. So we still are connected, but we're not showing content. But it's a very quick way. If you want to just view the other content that's on there, you can do so. So those are the basics of sharing content to student stations. To learn more about ThinkHub Connect and its full capabilities, make sure you check out all of our ThinkHub Connect training videos at the ThinkHub Academy.